Now consider a pentagonal pyramid of which the base side is a 30 millimeter and axis height is a 60 millimeter. It is a inclined to HP in such a way that this slant edge is fully resting on HP. While resting on HP, it should be parallel to VP. So in final condition, this will appear as like this one. So it is fully resting on one of its slant edge on HP. So this is our required condition. So initially assume that the given pentagonal pyramid is resting on its base on HP. First draw its top view, then draw its front view. The next redraw this front view in this way, and then finally draw its top view. In top view, yellow, red and blue colored triangular faces are clearly visible. Its bottom base or base is clearly visible also. Then what is the hidden? So for hidden portion, this slant edge is resting on HP is not visible, which we have to show by dotted line. So this is the edge which we have to show by dotted line. So we have to draw the orthographic projections of a given. Now we have to solve a problem of a pentagonal pyramid of which the base side is 30 millimeter and axis length is 60 millimeter. It is resting on HP on one of its slant edge. So initially assume that the pentagonal pyramid is resting on its base on HP. Axis is perpendicular to HP. So we have to draw the top view first. So draw this XY line. Draw this horizontal line on which we have to draw one side of a pentagon. So mark the distance of 30 millimeter because the base side is 30 millimeter. Now to draw the pentagon, set an angle of 108 degree from this side, 100, 140, 5, 6, 7 and 8 on this line. Draw at this angle, draw a line of 30 millimeter length. Then again consider this point or end of line. Now set this angle of 108 degree, 100, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will give us length of 30 millimeter. Now to draw the remaining two lines, take this distance in compass of 30 millimeter and draw arc. Again take this point and draw another arc. Now join this intersection of the two arcs to get the remaining two sides of a pentagon. So label it as a A, B, C, D and E. Now we have to locate the axis. So consider this edge and mark the point midpoint. Join this point and opposite corner by faint line. Again consider another edge. Join this by faint line. So the intersection thus gives us a axis position. Now through this draw the slant edges. This will show the slant edges of a pentagonal pyramid. Now through this vertex V, draw the vertical projection line and show the axis height of a 60 millimeter. Now project the base corner points. Here will be the A dash, B dash. Here will be the vertex V. Then here will be the E dash and C dash, and here will be the D dash. Now join these points. And show the axis by center line. Axis height is a 60 millimeter. Now this slant edge, that is a slant edge VD, is resting on horizontal plane. So take this distance in compass. Mark the point here D dash and shift this distance, and we will get the another point which will be the V dash. So the slant edge VD is resting on horizontal plane. Now we have to mark these two remaining points. So for this, take this distance in compass, as we are taking the D reference point. So draw an arc. Now to locate the A dash, B dash, now take this distance in compass. Take this as a center point and cut it here. So we will get this A dash and B dash. Join this A dash and B dash by straight line. Now we have to locate this point, that is which will lie on this AD, means on this. So take this distance in compass. We are measuring it from D, so D will be here and mark it here. locate the axis which will be here. So this is a point E dash and C dash. Through this, draw this slant edge, then through this vertex draw the axis. Now to draw the final top view, when we are looking in this direction, the direction of observation, then this pentagonal pyramid base is clearly visible. So we'll draw it first. First locate point A. Point A is here. So A, then B will lie on the same. B is here. Then go to the C. Through C draw this horizontal line, and C is here. Draw vertical line. We will get the C. Then D. D is here. Through D draw this horizontal line and draw this vertical line. So that we will get a D. And next is a E. E is here. Is on this line. So this is a E. So all 5 points of a base are located. Join it by straight lines. As the visible pentagonal pyramid base is shown here. Now as it is tilted in this direction, this triangular face means triangular face ABV is clearly visible. So draw this visible triangular face. So V dash is here. We have to look at the point V. So V will be here. Now as a triangular face ABV is visible. So ABV is shown. Draw this point. Also this BVC is visible, that is the BVC is visible. Then next AEV is also visible, that is AEV is visible. Now what is hidden portion? These two triangular faces are not visible, and this edge of a triangular face which is resting on HP, that is a edge VD, is not visible. So VD is here. Join it by or show it by dotted lines to indicate the hidden edge. So thus our solution is completed. Control the line work. Draw the projection lines very faint. Another line should be the dark.